What if I tell you that you can automate your whole video production with Zapier? Yes, that's possible. You can upload your clips on a Google Drive folder that will automatically trigger to get your videos into the Zapier. You could do merge them, you could add caption, you could trim them, you could denoise the audio, and whatever you decide to do, you will get a final result. And that is what I'm going to explain you how you can do in this video. All right, let's get started. First thing first, you have a Google Drive. I have created some folders here. So we're gonna focus on the VO folder today. Here, as you can see, we have these multiple AI generated video. For example, we have this one. Cute, 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 nice and good. And then we have this one in Canary Wharf. That is also so cute. And then we have this one walking the baby next to the Thames River. And then we have this one walking the baby under the underground station. Perfect. So what I want to do today is I'm going to create a Zap which will automate the trigger from Google Drive and then potentially merge these video into a one big video. All right, let's have a look. So the trigger we have to do is the Google Drive one. So it's here. So we're gonna select it. And then the event we have to do is new file added. When the new file is added inside any folder, we click that. I have my Google Drive already selected here. I click continue. And then I select my drive. So there you go. That's my drive. And then I think here, yep, that's fine. And then I just test the trigger and then continue with the record. The next action is the Earnall API. So if you don't see it in your top apps, you can just go and search for Earnall, and that's where it is. And here you have to search for an action called concatenate videos. Okay. And then you have to connect your account. So I already have my account connected, so that's fine. But if you are looking to connect your account, it's very simple. Go on earnall.com, log into your account, go to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see API keys. Click on them, create an API key, and once it's created, copy the API key from here, go back to your Zapier, and then add account. It will open a pop-up. Put your API keys here, and then you are sorted. So this is how you can connect your Earnall account here. Continue. And here the amazing part is you can either get these URL from the previous node, or you can literally copy paste. So just for simplicity, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Google Drive, and then I'm going to click on these three dots, share, share, and then here you have to do anyone with the link, copy link, go back to your Zapier and put it here. Let's do 3 videos instead of 2. And then the second one we have is, should we do this one? Let's do this one. Second one, this one, share, anyone with the link, copy link, done. Go back to Zap, put the second one here. And then the last one, which one we want to do? Let's do this one. I like this. Share, share, anyone with the link, copy. Why I'm showing you this is because mostly the files are not shared with everyone. They're restricted like in this way. But what you have to do is you have to select anyone with the link, because unless Earnall server has access to it, they won't be able to process them. Okay, so go back, put the URL here, and then click continue. And then the moment you click on the test setup, whenever this action runs, it will create a job for you. So let's run it. And then while it is running, I'm going to go back to the Earnall, click on docs, and then I'm going to take you to the concatenate API here. So as you can see, this is the API endpoint. This is how it sends the URL of the videos there. And then it returns back with a job ID and the status of the job, right? So if we go back to our Zap, we will see that this is the job ID and it is pending. In order to understand what's happening with there, what we are going to do is we are going to add a delay here because in production, your videos could be longer. So let's say just for this one, delay for a minute, maybe. Minute should be okay. Continue. Just the app. Um, yeah. And then the last step is again Earnall. And here what we have to do is we have to search for status of the job. So do not select get image generation status. It's status. Select get job status. Okay. And then continue. And then here, this is the job which we have created in the previous concatenate video action, right? So we press backslash on our keyboard, go to concatenate video, click on job ID, and then continue. And then we will test again the status of the job and see what is happening. And as you can see, the job is completed. So we have the result URL here. So we're going to copy that. And then we're going to put it in the browser here. And then we'll see if it has done the job. Perfect. So we have a total 24-second long video. Babies walking in the central London. Now the next one, baby walking in Canary Wharf with a suitcase in hand. So cute. Love it. And this is another baby walking underground, potentially bank station, I guess. There you go. We have the underground also. So this is how you automate your video production with the help of Zapier. If you have any questions or if you have any particular kind of workflow you want help with, let me know in the comments below, or you could go to my website at lonari.com and book a meeting with me to have a chat. All right. Thank you. Bye.